Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this beautiful, complete gourmet kitchen that we have here. They have all marble countertops. You have a sit-down area here that you can put some stools. I'll give you the dimensions in a second. All the cabinetry, it's all high-end wood cabinetry. It's got the soft closed doors. Got a beautiful hammered copper farmhouse sink. Antique bronze faucet. It's got a big, huge garbage disposal on the bottom. Everything is immaculate, as you would think of something like this. All self-closing doors and cabinets. They're completely clean. The island we're going to sell separately. You got a lot of storage. This is on the right side of the double oven. You got 8 self-closing drawers here. You got the same thing on the other side. So you can see it's all self-closing. So basically these 2 doors right here, it's identical that you saw on the right side. Glass front, lit up cabinet. The appliances are going to be sold separately. More pull-out drawers. So what we have dimensions wise, so this sit down area right here, from here to the wall is 96 inches, and it's 37 inches deep. Basically from here to the edge there. Now the whole kitchen, the length of the kitchen to the other side of the oven, it is 19 feet. So basically from here all the way to the other side of the oven is 19 feet. You can obviously rearrange that as you wish. And then on this side where the refrigerator is, that whole wall basically is 196 inches, and it's 93 inches tall, This is where all the storage is. Beautiful, beautiful marble tops. Our magician Patrick will take it all apart. It's got plenty of storage. It's got a little Lazy Susan down in there. Place for all your cookware. And that is basically the gourmet kitchen. We're going to have a preview, so anybody really interested, they can come take a look at personally.